How to fix the issue of the missing Calibrate touchscreen option in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you're facing problems with your touchscreen calibration and can't find the calibration settings, this video is for you, so let's dive right in. First, make sure your Windows is up to date. Sometimes missing features can be fixed with a simple update. First, make sure your Windows is up to date. Sometimes missing features can be fixed with a simple update. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Click on Update and Security and click Check for updates and install any updates available. This process might take a few minutes. Once updates are installed, restart your computer and check if the Calibrate touchscreen option is back. If Windows didn't solve the issue, try enabling tablet mode. Click on the Action Center icon on the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Click on the tablet mode to enable it. This can sometimes make touchscreen settings more accessible. Now check if the calibration option is available. Another step is to run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Go to Settings and then Update and Security. Select Troubleshoot from the sidebar. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, find Hardware and Devices and run the troubleshooter. Sometimes devices can be hidden in Device Manager. So, what you need to do is right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. Look for any hidden touchscreen devices and update their drivers if necessary. If none of these steps work, your issue might be hardware related and you may need to contact the device manufacturer for further assistance. Thanks for watching this video and I hope this video helped you out.